Welcome back to Auto Express. Today we are going to take a detailed look at one of the most extreme and luxurious supercars ever created, the incredible Mansory Lamborghini Revuelto. The standard Lamborghini Revuelto already represents a revolutionary step for Lamborghini as the brand's first V12 plug-in hybrid supercar, but when the famous German tuning company Mansory transforms it, the result becomes even more aggressive, more exclusive, and far more eye-catching. In today's review we will explore the exterior design, interior luxury, performance capabilities, and the expected price of this extraordinary machine. The first thing that immediately grabs attention is the exterior design. Mansory is known worldwide for creating extremely bold and dramatic body modifications, and the Revuelto receives one of the most aggressive styling packages ever seen. The front of the car looks sharper and more futuristic compared to the standard model. A massive carbon fiber front splitter extends outward, giving the car a very low and race-inspired appearance. The air intakes have been redesigned to improve airflow and cooling for the powerful hybrid V12 system. Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped LED headlights remain, but Mansory adds unique carbon fiber details around them, creating a more intense and high-tech look. Moving along the sides of the vehicle, the design continues to impress with dramatic sculpted lines and aerodynamic upgrades. The side skirts are wider and more pronounced, helping manage airflow along the body and improving stability at very high speeds. Large air intakes behind the doors channel air directly to the engine bay for cooling. Mansory also installs its signature ultra-light forged wheels. Typically the front wheels measure around 21 inches while the rear wheels grow to 22 inches, wrapped in high-performance tires designed to handle extreme levels of power and grip. These wheels not only improve performance but also add to the car's striking visual presence. The rear of the Mansory Revuelto is perhaps the most dramatic angle of the entire car. A huge carbon fiber rear wing dominates the design, providing significant downforce at high speeds. Below it sits an aggressive diffuser designed to enhance aerodynamics and stability. The exhaust system has been completely redesigned with a unique central placement that looks both futuristic and intimidating. When the engine starts, the sound coming from the upgraded exhaust system is louder, deeper, and far more emotional than the standard version. At night, the sharp Y-shaped LED taillights glow with a futuristic appearance that perfectly matches the car's aggressive personality. Another major highlight of this vehicle is the extensive use of carbon fiber throughout the exterior. Mansory is famous for using exposed forged carbon in many of its projects, and the Revuelto is no exception. Many body panels, aerodynamic components, and trim pieces are made from lightweight carbon fiber. This not only reduces the vehicle's overall weight but also enhances the premium and high-performance appearance that Mansory vehicles are known for. Now let's step inside the cabin. The interior of the Mansory Revuelto is a luxurious and futuristic environment that perfectly matches the extreme design of the exterior. While the base Revuelto already features a very advanced interior layout, Mansory takes it to another level with custom materials, colors, and craftsmanship. Almost every surface inside the car can be customized to the owner's personal taste. Premium leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber dominate the cabin, creating a perfect balance between luxury and sportiness. The dashboard design is highly digital and driver-focused. A fully digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, displaying important information such as speed, power distribution, battery status, and navigation details. The graphics are sharp and modern, emphasizing the high-tech nature of the car. In the center of the dashboard there is a large vertical touchscreen that controls infotainment, climate settings, and vehicle configuration options. One unique feature of the Revuelto's interior is the passenger display screen. This screen allows the passenger to see information like speed, gear position, and performance data, making the driving experience more engaging for both occupants. Mansory often adds its own design touches to these screens and surrounding panels, including custom carbon fiber trim and illuminated logos. The seats are another highlight of the interior. Mansory installs racing-inspired bucket seats that provide excellent support during high-speed driving. These seats are usually covered in high-quality leather or alcantara with contrast stitching and embroidered Mansory logos. The seat backs often feature exposed carbon fiber shells that reinforce the car's performance-focused identity. Despite their sporty design, the seats remain surprisingly comfortable for long drives. Ambient lighting is also integrated throughout the cabin, creating a futuristic atmosphere at night. Thin LED light strips highlight the dashboard, doors, and center console, giving the interior a premium and high-tech feeling. Every small detail inside the car reflects careful craftsmanship and exclusivity. Now let's talk about performance, which is where the Revuelto truly becomes extraordinary. The Revuelto uses a powerful hybrid powertrain that combines a naturally aspirated V12 engine with 3 electric motors. Mansory enhances this system even further with performance tuning and upgrades. The standard Revuelto already produces around 1001 horsepower, but the Mansory version is believed to produce even more, potentially exceeding 1070 horsepower. At the heart of the system is a massive 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine. This engine delivers an incredible sound and thrilling high-revving performance that Lamborghini is famous for. The electric motors add instant torque, allowing the car to accelerate with breathtaking speed. When both the V12 engine and electric motors work together,